Greetings, greetings, greetings. Welcome to today's Reiki Ascension upload. Just recite the tones aloud and quietly. Observe subtle changes in light and energy to know that Reiki Ascension works for you. Ifata, 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 ifata. Kodavish, 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 dunai, tears bayath, YHWH Daikumio. Thank YHWH Daikumio. Hon Sha Ze Shu Nen Seheki Chokure Daikumyo for my body world. Compassion YHWH Daikumyo. Bismillah Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. Inna Etenaka El Glutha Posenli Lurbika One Heart Inna Shaniaka Hoella Lebtu Ifata, 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 Ifata. Kodavish, 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 Dunai, Tears Bayat. YHWH Daikumyo. Thank YHWH Daikumyo. Hon Sha Ze Shu Nen Seheki Chokure Daikumyo for my body world. Compassion YHWH Daikumyo. Fat, 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 fat. Bismillah Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. Kol huwa Allah huwa had Allah huwa samid. Lam yalid walam yalid walam yakun lahu kufuwan one ahad. Thank Utai for me, for my body world. Compassion. Thank Utai for me, for my body world. Compassion. Bismillah Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. Inna Etenaka Al-Glutha Posenli Lurbika One Heart Inna Shaniaka Hoella Lebtu. Thank Utai for me, for my body world. Compassion. Thank Utai for me, for my body world. Compassion. Thank Utai for me, for my body world. Compassion. Thank Mani Bad Me Hung for my body world. Compassion. Bismillah Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. Kol huwa Allah huwa had Allah huwa samid. Lam yalid walam yalid walam yakun lahu kufuwan ahad. And we'll finish off with 2 minutes distance healing through the computer. Just relax and absorb the energy. I hope you enjoyed today's Reiki Ascension transmission. So remember, recite the tones aloud and quietly. Observe subtle changes in light and energy to know that it is working for you. Have a great day. Thank you.